All right, so now I want to do the beams. If they were just straight across, we're going to go ahead and extrude those beams out. And to do that, I actually would like to have them available in 3D. So I'm going to go back to my south elevation, and I'll go ahead and, since I'm kind of done with this one, I'll unpin it and delete that. Then I'm going to go to Insert and Link CAD. And I'm going to grab this one and I'm going to say Not Current View Only and put it on A1 and click Open. And it's going to put it in. And then if I go to my 3D view, right, it's going to be available to me in my 3D view, right? So you can see it there in my 3D view. And so what I want to do now is, I'm just going to hide the roof for right now. So let's just VH that. I want to go in and put beams in here, right? And so there's a couple of different ways we could do it. We could do it with a family, but I'm going to do a model in place real quick and show you how that works. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go to Architecture, Component, Model in Place. And this guy is really a structural framing. So I'm going to pick that as my category. And then I'll name this, how about roof beams? Okay. And then you can go in and do an extrusion and use your pick line. Let's see where that, okay. So first we have to set our plane, because right now I've turned the work plane on and it's set to A1. And so I'm going to set my work plane and I'm just going to pick a plane and I'll just pick the face of this wall, right? And then I'll go to pick line and I can then pick this guy, right? And then will it do multiples at once? It will, so that'd be kind of nice. So let's do that. So I'm just going to go through and use the pick line, let's control, and pick these guys, and it's going to project them onto that wall, right? Let me get that one. There it is. And then once I'm done with that, I can hit the big green check and I can align with the inside of that wall, right? So now I have those beams, and I can also pick these and put a material parameter on them. So, so I can say, beam mat. Okay, and click OK. Then if I hit finish and I pick those beams here, right, I have the ability to come in, whoops, I forgot to make it an instance property. It's actually under the type right now, the beam mat. So I'd like to make it an instance property. So I'm going to edit in place, and I'm going to go back to, you can go to the family types here after you've already created one, and I'm going to pick that beam mat and edit it and make it into an instance and click OK, and then finish the model. Now when I pick it, it will come up in the instance category, and I can assign a material to that. And then I can turn the roof back on if I want to, right? So if I come down here, let's go to BD and turn our roof back on, right? Turn the roof back on. There we go. Okay. So that's that.